Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Log in and load Bee Swarm Simulator with inventory room and your best pollen bees equipped. Once loaded, activate any field boosts and clovers to increase drop rates. They directly raise sticker chances. Move immediately to a high-yield field like clover or event-specific maps, because sticker spawns correlate with pollen and hive events. While you collect, prioritize continuous harvesting and pick up tokens quickly. This steady action is the core mechanic that triggers sticker drops and stackable rewards. Once in the field, focus on mechanics that scale sticker probability. Trigger hive abilities and eat treats that boost luck or drop rates, since these modify spawn algorithms. Make sure to play with friends when possible. Multiple players increase spawn frequency and shared loot pools, raising sticker chances per session. Also target mass enemy waves and collect pollen bubbles. These concentrated events often yield better sticker roll opportunities. Keep repeating these cycles, and rotate fields to exploit timers and varied spawn tables. To finish, open your inventory and redeem rewards, checking sticker counts and progress toward any event milestones. Many stickers come as timed or achievement drops. If you didn't get stickers, don't panic. Close and relog the game to clear sync issues, then try a different field or time of day since spawn rates can fluctuate. Make sure your game is updated and read recent patch notes or community channels for mechanic changes. Adjusting strategy quickly often solves persistent non-drops and improves future sticker runs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.